So I do not know if this video has an intro or not. So if it doesn't, then welcome or welcome back to Betide. And let's just get started with the documentation of the modified EOS subsystem plugin. So in this video, we would be going and setting up the modified EOS subsystem. Now, currently it is only required if you want to implement these three login methods. But with update 1.1, it would be required for anti-cheat and a lot of different issues, to be honest. So that said, we have two versions here. One is the 5.0.3 and the second is 5.1 version. And 5.31 is the latest one. Like 5.1 would be modified very soon to become like 5.3. Sorry, 5.0.3. So that being said, 1.1 would be a bigger update anyways. And if you have not seen the earlier two videos, then I would suggest first to set up the US kit and then come back to this video. So let's download the 5.0.3 because I would be following this video with that version, and I think I can save it here. Yeah, and then let me open this up. So sorry, I have a lot of things on my desktop. Mostly are just random things, and sorry, I forgot where is it, the zip file. Yeah, we will unzip this. And then we have these three files, so you can just copy these up from here and then go to your drive, program files, like wherever you have saved your uh, projects, sorry, wherever you have saved your, oh, why is it in this mode? Yeah, wherever you have saved the Unreal Engine versions. So I am using 5.0, so I will just go to 5.0 engine, plugins, online, online subsystem, EOS. So you can see we have these files here, and as you already saw, with this plugin 5 we have these three files to be pasted. So select these two and this one and copy these three and paste them here. Now it will ask you what the application require. So replace existing files and continue. So three files got changed. Now copy this one and go to voice chat and paste it here. Now with this will also replace the existing file. So done. Now let's go back to our project. Let me just open that up. So yeah, here is it. And the C++ was not required. We can just delete it if you want. But like I was just trying something out behind the video. So even if you do not have the C++, this would be exactly the same. Now just open up your project. And now the modified EOS subsystem is ready to be used. So you can now go to open level blueprint, and just to show you that this works, uh, I will add I will replace this login method with login with device ID, because device ID can only be added there. uh, and result code here, device name, example device, or whatever it is, display name this, and compile and save. One more thing that I want to show you is in 5.0.3 version, we have started using a modified version of this. So you can disable this override auth login with connect. So basically now we will be having custom settings, plus this one was taken from a GitHub repo. Earlier I was using my own edited subsystem, but someone had done that already before me and I did not know, so I started using it. So nothing to be worried about, just use the gitbook link, like the documentation link, and you would be sorted. So remember, this should be off. If you connect this, like turn this on, user will auto login using this. So let's now play. So as you can see, the session got created, like the login was successful. We created like these document, like print strings were from that like open source plugin itself. So this would be like we are modifying it to our needs. But as you can see, we got the login, we even got this product ID from the user, and could log in with device ID. So EOS was successful, login notification, like everything was successful, and we were able to create a session. Now we were not able to like modify a few things because user lacks permission to advertise presence, and like because we cannot use the Epic account services with device ID. So that is an issue. But now you can follow any of the documentation page for setting up GitHub, or like for Steam we will be having a video by tonight itself. So check the documentation page for it, and thanks a lot.